For the last video of our sash belt, we'll be adding a glowing arrow to the center. First, measure the length of the arrow and create a pattern for it. Cut your pattern out, fold it in half. Trace your pattern onto some buckrum and cut that out. Now, trace your arrow onto the outside fabric. Cut it out with about ½ inch on the outside in order to wrap it around the buckrum. Now, trace out strips of CosBond attach and build. Peel and stick these to your buckrum, then peel and stick your fabric to the center. Begin wrapping your fabric around the arrow. Now we can use CosBond Wire Manager to add EL wire to the inside of the arrow. Cut the wire manager and stick it around your EL wire. Cut it into smaller pieces for the end of the arrow. Now use attach and build to stick your arrow to the sash. Place the wiring through the sash and around the back. And we're done with our Avatar Aang glowing sash.